Hi, Jane.
Hi, Pat. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing okay. I'm
Oh,
kind of,
you look good.
oh, thanks. You do too. Uh,
Well, yeah, I'm better. Uh,
I'm
getting
st-
back on my feet.
I'm starting my third round of physical therapy on
Oh,
Thursday. Yeah, for
oh,
just, I'm like you. I had a broken leg, then I had another broken leg, then I had a broken shoulder. And so it's just like, you know, so this is better, it's for seniors.
yeah. Well, that's good. I'm glad you're doing better. We
Yeah.
did stop by the cottage. Uh, I had to
Oh,
go. The
yes,
12th. I didn't really get to go to the whole thing of the massing of the colors that I do.
yes.
I had to give the certificates to the color guard
Uh-huh.
for the Daughters of Union Veterans. And
Uh-huh.
so then we walked around. I told him, let's walk. So we went to the cottage, and Tom was there
Yeah.
in his kilt, and a new
Uh-huh.
member who was doing some bob and lace.
Oh, yeah, the young gal, Ethel Graham. She's
Yeah.
half Japanese and half Scots.
Uh-huh.
And anyway, she and her grandmother went to Scotland last summer, but she's been volunteering with us on I think it's Sundays. I'm not sure. I don't think it's Saturdays. And so she demonstrates it. And it took her about 6 months to make a piece that's maybe a foot long, that it's little Scotty dogs. It's very cute. She gave it to someone, I forget who. But yeah, it's very interesting. And so she turned 18 and she says, can I join now? I go, oh, okay. Of
Awesome. Oh,
course.
that's awesome. Yeah, the cottage looks so nice, and
Oh,
I
thanks.
bought a shortbread, of course, and everything looked really good. And Spain was having their uh, their program. They were using the House of Ireland. I went over to Norway, and then I went to Sweden, and they want me to join Sweden again. And then I
Uh-huh.
went to House of Ireland, and
Uh-huh.
uh, let's see,
Was
uh,
Tim there from our
the
cottage? From
the
our
girls were there, huh?
Was Tim Davy there in Ireland?
No, I didn't see them. Sharon was in the kitchen, and Maureen was there, and Aaron was there, and another gal. They were knitting.
Oh, yeah, they do that.
So I sat down there to rest for a while. So it was really nice. It was really
Oh,
nice.
good.
So I'm
Sorry, I missed
trying
you.
to get back into things. So
Okay. Well, this is a good way. Hi, Michael.
Hello, Kimra Hula Dunya, Kimra Shif,
Oh, Haguma.
Yuma,
Uh-huh. Gleba.
Gleba,
Gleba,
Gleba.
Haguma, better.
Better.
Nashar, Nashar,
Nashar. Uh-huh.
Nishan is better.
Nashar,
Nashar.
Nashar.
uh-huh,
Okay.
Nashar,
Yeah.
uh-huh,
Yeah.
uh-huh,
I probably won't make the whole class. I'll probably leave a little after 8.
okay,
Uh, I'm up and down again, but
uh,
working on it.
okay, Shinma, okay, Eva, Kimra,
Wow. Dancer twang.
Jay,
Trying.
Kimra,
Are you busy?
Yes, dancing.
Trang,
Right now is yeah. Do I say it correctly? Dancer, or do you pronounce it?
Dancer.
okay, I guess,
Dancing.
Yeah, I belong to the thriller flash mob, so we performing the thriller all over town now.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
I guess Denise, Kimra,
Hamiguma.
oh, Gleva, Mitolocha, Gerechen, Mitolocha de Echen. I'm happy to see you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Gleva. Okay. Does anybody have any questions to get us started? No? Okay.
I looked at the lesson yesterday. It's all about, this one's about color, right?
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. And also
Okay.
about how to say we like something. Yeah, so combine two different things. Vocab. Oh wait, this is about color. No. That was last week's lesson.
Colors.
Color.
Yeah.
Oh, so we're on 6,
No, we're on 7 now, I think.
7. Okay. I was trying to figure it out. Okay, that's okay. I'll listen.
Okay.
Top
And
of
then
that.
I'll show it and you can look at it more later. Yeah. Okay, so this week we're going to look at how to say we like something, but also combine that with new vocabulary for food.
Mm.
Okay, all right, flavor. Okay. All right.
Wow. Heather.
Okay, Heather on show.
Hi, Heather.
Hello, Heather.
Hello, how are you? Kimara Hashiv.
Hagama.
Hashin Gema. Jane Becken-Cheen hast. Jane Becken-Cheen. Cheen.
Ill.
Ill. Yeah. Sick.
Oh,
Okay.
Beckon. Little.
Becken a little bit. A little bit.
oh.
Becken-Cheen. All right. Yeah. So let's take a look at what we've got. All right. Let me see.
Hi, Pat.
Hi, Heather. How are you?
I'm good. I'm getting ready to make some tablet tomorrow night.
Oh, good. I was wondering if you had time for coffee in the next couple of days.
Sure.
Okay, I'll text you tonight.
Okay.
Okay. So here's a couple vocabulary words. Nashar.
Nashar.
Better. And cheen. Sick.
Cheen.
Or ill. Cheen. An adjective. Okay. Yeah. So just a couple words that I threw at you. Okay, I think. All right. Okay. So of course, our motto of the class, Nashar. You see the Nashar? Nashar. Okay. Better. Okay. Gaelic Class. Okay, better broken Gaelic than fluent English. Okay, so here's the piper we want to donate to this week. Okay, and there's a reason he's in front of a crowd, and we'll get to that in a bit.
Okay.
And here's the invite link, of course. All you are here, so I guess you have it. And then I'm including in each week's material the link to the parent Dropbox.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you don't even have to wait for the for the specific link. And I'll show you. Let's see. So it goes something like this. You see, so it'll just go all the chapters as we build them, okay? And then you can just navigate through the folders, and you can look at the old folders as well. And like chapter 6, that's last week's, that's completed. And so here's the material for chapter 6 and the link to the YouTube video for the class. And so you can just copy that and paste that into your browser if you want to review the class. Okay.
I'm going to be missing next week, so I can just see the whole video in there for chapter 7.
That's right. I will send you, I will still send you next week's lesson, but you can use any of the universal links to get to the year one. Okay, and then navigate to the chapter. And next week's chapter, of course, will be chapter 8. Okay.
Please send it to me because I still will look at it when I have time.
Oh yes.
Oh, that-
Oh yes, certainly. Yeah. 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 And then even if you miss my email, and this goes for everybody, if you miss the email, you can always just go to the Dropbox and get the lesson plan there. You see, because already I've uploaded the lesson plan for tonight. Okay. All right. Yeah.
But you upload that again when you make changes, right?
Yes. Yes, I will. Yeah. Okay. Any changes I'll make or notes I put on it, I will I don't know what you call it, re-upload the lesson plan. Okay. All right. Okay. So Clàr na Seachdaine, schedule of the week. Okay. So Fàilte, the proverb of the week, grammar of the week, how to say you like something, and vocabulary B, food, and Sgeulachd na Seachdaine. I'm going to talk a little bit about the mod. Okay. And then, oh, no, that's not the song of the week. The song of the week is Stolum fhìn, buntàta leam. Okay. All right. So I have to corrected that. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So Fàilte. Okay. Let's see. So why don't we come back to that? I'll put that in the section for the Sgeulachd, for the story of the week. All right. Anyway. All right. Okay. So Seanfhacal na Seachdaine. I'm fair as acha a chayon tai. So go ahead and say that. I'm fair.
Unfair.
As acha.
Acha. A tie.
I on tai.
A kai on tie.
Sankail abuvina.
Sankil.
Abuvina.
Ina.
Achule riav.
Akul.
Riav. Chukengaki.
Tukengaki.
Chukengaki. Okay. Maybe capital there. Chukengaki. Okay. So literally the one, that the furthest asacha has gone from home is the music that is the sweetest that he ever heard, Achule riav, Chukengaki, come home. Okay. All right. So to him who's gone farthest away, the sweetest music he ever heard was come home. Okay. Okay. Just again the Gaelic value of homeland. Okay. Okay. And so now you can come back and you can read the paragraph, a couple paragraphs. But remember, in traditional Gaelic communities, people didn't move around a lot. So they, not in an individual lifetime and not even over generations. So people tended to establish very deep ties to their homes, to their home communities. Okay, so just a couple language notes. Okay, so here we see the first, the flexibility of Gaelic syntax. Fair es acha, the one that furthest. So this is showing the flexibility of Gaelic syntax, able to emphasize the one who furthest, has gone from home. Okay, so in English we would say probably something like, what the one that has gone furthest from home. Let's see. Oh, no, the music is sweetest that he ever heard to the one who has gone furthest from home. It's something like that. Okay, so Gaelic allows a little bit more flexibility in the ordering of the ideas. And then it'll be a while before we get to this, but just call your attention to this. A buvina. Gaelic does something a little bit unusual in its what's called comparative adjective. It puts a verb tense on the past tense of the comparative adjective. So it's not nabina, which would be sweeter, or it's abuvina. Okay, that was the sweetest. And so we have the tense there. Okay, so just a little thing for us to look forward to. All right. Okay. All right. So grammar na shekin, how to say you or somebody else likes something. Okay, so so first we require the use of the word to or toll. You'll see both spellings, okay, and both are used, okay, and they're equivalent, which mean roughly pleasing or pleasure. Is pleasing with me, is pleasing to me, something like that, okay? Okay. Something is pleasing to me or to whoever, okay? Is pleasing, toll, okay? And then, and then we have another word that we're going to start seeing more and more, and that's the word is. Now, we've been using be, and this is the word that, well, we don't even use va yet. Okay, so we'll just refer to ha. Okay, it's the ha that we've been using. Hami ski. Okay, hami tolacha. Ha Jane Becken Cheen. Okay. All right, ha. So that's the word. Now, is an assertive verb that we've seen in when we say what our name is Misha Alistair. Okay. And I'm not going to get into how they're different. They both mean is, the verb to be. But be or ha is used to describe a quality of something. Hami tolacha, hami cheen, words like this. Okay. Is called the assertive verb, and it indicates an identity. Ismisha Alistair. Okay. I am Alistair. That's different from saying I am happy. I'm saying I equal Alistair, but I'm not getting into that right now. But just to point out that we use that in this expression, and this expression is toll, or very often you'll see apostrophe s, toll, stole. Okay, yeah. So, and the apostrophe s is the contraction, sort of equivalent to the isn't. Okay. Or it's. Okay, so stole. And then, as I said, you'll very often see the alternate spelling for toll, which is still pronounced toll. Yeah. Okay. Now, to say that somebody likes something requires a preposition le, which means with. So you say, is, like the translations I have here, is pleasing with Mary. Okay. Cake is pleasing with Mary. We put it like that. We don't say somebody likes something literally in Gaelic. We say something is pleasing. Well, in English, we would say, to use a similar form, we'd say something like, this is pleasing to Mary. This is pleasing to me. Cake is pleasing to me. Well, in Gaelic, it's with, okay? So the preposition le means with, okay? So here's some forms. is tole Mary cake. Is pleasing with Mary cake. Okay, so note that Mary, the person who's liking the cake, comes behind the with. You know, just like in English, we would say, like I said, it's pleasing to me. Okay, this is pleasing to me, all right? And Mary likes cake. Okay, is literally is pleasing with Mary cake. Okay, all right. How do you spell that? Literally. Okay, yeah, okay, I had it. Okay. It's and the negative would be chato. Chato. And le Seamus ushkabea is not pleasing with Seamus ushkabea, whiskey. Seamus doesn't like whiskey. Literally is not pleasing with Seamus whiskey. Now you notice that with the negative, we don't insert the is. It's implied. Okay, so it's not cha istol, it's just chato. All right? Okay. The question is antol. Antol le ana is Isabel be Mexicanach. Okay. Do Anna and Isabel like Mexican food? Is pleasing with Anna and Isabel Mexican food? I mean, you know, so that's how it translates literally. Okay, antol. Or nachtol. Nachtole Granny coffee. Doesn't Granny like coffee? Literally, though, is not pleasing with Granny coffee. Nachtol. And so you'll notice that for the chatol, the Gamalishko. Gamalishko. Brook. For the negative and the question forms and the nach form, we don't express the is. It's implied. Okay. And the nachtol can either be a question or an exclamation. Doesn't Granny like coffee? Exclamation point. Okay. So the nach form can be either a question or an exclamation. Okay. Okay, you know, so okay. Right, okay. Now, these are if we're referring to a noun, that is a name. Okay. Stole madre. Okay. Hatole Seamus. Okay. So you use le with the name. Okay. But what if you don't have a name? When we don't have a name, we use what's called the prepositional pronoun. So if you remember, we took a look at this with air. J antenamaha orsht. What is the name that is on you? Orsht would be air u, on you, okay? And so on and so forth. Well, we use the prepositional pronoun for lay. So every preposition uses has a prepositional pronoun. Okay, and here they are for lay. So lay plus me, that is with me, is loom. You know, and so, and in the early portions of our class, I'll try to remember to include some of the what would you call it? The pronunciation guides. Anyway, lay plus u with you is let. Lay plus a with him is lesh. Right here. Okay. Lay plus e with her is la. Okay. Lay plus sheen with us is lane. Lay plus sheave with you, and that's either plural or formal, that's lave. And and so if you're referring to a group of people and you want to say you, like you guys, or if you're talking to your boss or, the president or something like that, you would say lave, okay? And lay plus it with them is lower, okay? All right. And so here we see some examples. Estolum ushkebea, I like whiskey. Is pleasing with me whiskey. Okay. Kato la cake. She doesn't like cake. Is not pleasing with her cake. Or cake is not pleasing with her, right? Antolet coffee. Do you like coffee? Is pleasing with you coffee? Or is coffee pleasing with you? Hello, Matthew.
Hello. Sorry I was late. I was in the shower.
Oh, no problem. Nadragorsht. Nadragorsht. Okay. Oh, there's another phrase. Nadragorsht. Something like no worry on you.
Oh,
No problem. Don't worry about it. Okay. Nadragorsht. No worry on you. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. And Nachtolesh tea. Doesn't he like tea? Is not pleasing with him tea. Or isn't tea pleasing with him? Okay, so, and again, this could be, doesn't he like tea? Well, doesn't he like his tea? Something like that. The exclamation form. Okay. All right, so, and a little note. You notice we have two words for not, for the negative. Ha is used for statements. Okay. Chatol cake, la cake. She doesn't like cake, chatol. While nach is used for questions, exclamations, and conjunctions. And we won't get into conjunctions right now. But like right here, a question, nachtolish tea. Okay, nachtolish. Okay. While chatol would be a statement, nachtol would be a question. Okay. Okay. So I have another couple examples here. Nachtolish tea. Doesn't he like tea? Or nachtolish ushkebea. Doesn't he like whiskey? That's his fifth glass there. Doesn't he like his whiskey? Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. And we've seen some usage of the lay plus the prepositional pronoun for thank you. So when we say tapalet, we're meaning thanks with you. Tapalet. So the let is the u plus the lay. Okay. Tapalave is thanks with you, the plural, the formal. So the lave is the lay plus sheave. So up here, lay plus sheave. Okay, gives us lave. And over here, lay plus u gives us let. Okay. And then one more word about this. As we go forward, as I said, all the prepositions, and a preposition is a word that in its base form tells us where we are. Okay. Very often I use, here, I'll just, preposition box. Okay. All right, yeah. So very often to explain a no, I don't want a video, not now. Okay, what do we have? Okay, yeah. Now, why am I getting videos? I don't want a video. Okay. All right. Let's go images. Okay. All right. Something like this. Okay. Yeah. Why am this? All right, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. All right. Here. All right. So you see this over on the side, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We'll just go with this. All right. Okay. Over here on the side. So a preposition. Sometimes I explain it in terms of being showing where we are in relationship to the preposition box. We're behind the box. We're in front of the box, next to the box, between the boxes, near the box, above the box, below the box, in the box, on the box. These are all prepositions. All these words that explain where we are in relationship to the preposition box. Okay, that's what a preposition is. Okay, all right. All right, let's see. So, okay, okay, all right, okay, all right. So I just wanted to, where are we now? All right, okay. Explain what a preposition is. Now, as we go forward, we'll encounter, a lot more prepositions, and all the prepositions have prepositional pronoun forms. Now, one of the things that you will notice is, and I'll just mention this now and develop it later, is the commonality in the prepositional pronoun is this. The me form very often ends with an M, as in me. Whereas the oo form ends with a T for oo. The A form very often ends with an S. I don't know what I can say that's for, but it ends with something like that. Okay. The E form very often ends with something like this. Okay. The lay plus she or the sheen form very often ends with a double N. Okay. The sheave form very often ends with the V sound. Okay. Like right here, we have lave. Okay. Okay. So those are some little mnemonic devices that'll help you remember as we go forward the various prepositional pronouns. Okay. Anyway. All right. And now we have an exercise, and we're going to use this expression of I like something to learn our new words in this lesson, which is for food. All right. Okay. Just give me a moment and I will call up my there we go. Okay. All right. All right. So here we go. Okay. So a couple words here that aren't specifically part of the lesson, but be. So go ahead and say that. Be.
E.
That's food. That's food in general. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I'll show you something else. And so even a word like for restaurant equals Thai B. Okay. Which is a house of food. Thai B, a house of food. Okay. All right. Lunch is very often B, me and law. Okay. Food of midday. Food of noon. All right. So anyway, so we use that word be in a few different instances. Okay. And then bouvor is you might say a supermarket. Literally means a store big, a big store. And remember, the adjectives in Gaelic come after the word rather than before. Okay, so bouvor is a big store, okay, or supermarket. All right. Okay. So a butcher or fiolader. So go ahead and say that. Butcher,
Butcher.
fiolader.
Fiolader.
Okay. And what do you suppose that is?
Meat.
Yeah. Fuel means meat.
Meat. Yeah. What's a butcher?
Butcher?
A butcher. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. Obviously from the English. Fiol is more of an original Gaelic word, and fiol means meat. Okay. All right. So, all right. So hama.
Hama.
Okay. That's not a tough one to remember. Hama. Okay. So the question is Antolet hama. And you would answer Chatolum, remember with me, hama, or stolum, I like, or Chatolum. Okay. So I would ask Antolet hama, and you go ahead and give your answer. Stolum hama or Chatolum hama?
Stolum.
Hama.
Okay. Very good.
Stolen Hama.
Stolum hama. Okay. Clever. Okay. Marsht yol. Okay. So yeah. So that's beef. Okay. I tried to find a cute little picture of a a cow. Okay. And then Finek, the question would be Antolish Marsht yol. Okay. And fiol again is for meat, and marsht is one of the words that we have for beef, for cattle. So marsht yol would be cattle meat. Okay. So Antolish marsht yol. So you would answer stolesh, not let, but I'm talking about him. Okay. On stolesh marsht yol or chatolesh marsht yol.
Estolesh.
Stolesh marsht yol. Yeah. He certainly looks like he likes it. Okay. All right. Milk yol.
Mute.
Okay. Yol. Okay. And that's pork. Okay. We have a little picture of a pig here. On tolesh, again, him. On tolesh, muk yol. And you would answer stolesh, muk yol, or chatolesh, muk yol.
Oh, he looks happy. Estolesh.
Stolish.
Stolesh. Mute.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ishbin. Ishbin. Okay. Antolesh Ishbin. And you would answer Stolesh Ishbin or Chatolesh Ishbin.
Estolesh.
Stolesh. Yeah. Stolesh Ishbin. Yeah. And remember, if you see the is in front, you pronounce the is, but if you just have the apostrophe s, it just contracts, it runs together. So Stolesh Ishbin. Okay. Yeah. So he looks like a jolly fellow who likes his sausage. Fiel Ewan. Fiel Ewan. Okay. What do you suppose this is?
Lamb.
Lamb, yeah. Antola. Okay, does she like? See, so I've provided the pictures to provide you a clue. And so we can learn we can reinforce not only the prepositional pronoun, but also we're learning the words for the food. Antola, fiel uan, stola, or chatola.
Hatola.
Chatola, yeah. Yeah, she doesn't look like she likes it that much. Okay, so chatola, fiel uan. Okay, again, meat of a lamb. Okay, meat of a lamb. Okay, takish. Antolun. Okay, that's us. Okay. Stolun takish. No, chatulun takish.
Istolun takish.
Stolun takish. Yeah. And there's a picture of
Of a wild haggis.
a
Wow.
wild haggis. Yeah,
Kind of looks like a bunny rabbit
yeah, he does sort of, doesn't he?
or a guinea pig, maybe. I don't know.
A ram.
Do
Wow.
they actually exist?
Yeah,
Because
haggis.
from what I
No.
read, they don't.
Turkish.
Do they actually exist? From what I read, they don't exist.
Oh, well, yes,
They
of course
do.
they do. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Michael.
yeah, of course they do. And they're friends with the Loch Ness Monster.
Okay, yeah. So that's how I thought about it because
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So Isk
Yisk.
Yes.
Antoloa. Okay. Do they like Antoloa? So this is they.
Yisk.
Is
Illinois,
Isk.
Yes.
Yeah,
Mm.
two
E-
syllables there. Isk.
Yes.
Stoloa. Yisk.
Stoloa Isk. Stoloa Isk.
Oh,
Okay.
They're very happy.
They're very happy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Leva. Okay. All right. Bibanya. Bibanya.
Bibanya.
Biaganya.
Uh-huh. Banya by itself means milk. So bibanya,
Dairy.
yeah, would be dairy foods. Yeah, bibanya. Food of milk, something like that. Okay. Okay. All right. So banya. Okay. Unto lesh. So lesh should be him. Okay. Stolesh banya or chatolesh banya.
Dolish banya.
Stolesh banya. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Uyen. Unto loa. Them. Loa. Them. Okay. Stoloa uyen. No chatoloa. Uyen or ug. Ug would be
One egg.
singular. Uyen would be plural. Okay. So on Toloa ug,
Stoloa.
Stoloa, Stoloa. I think they like them. Okay. At least when they're colored.
They like finding them.
Yeah, and finding them. Okay.
I don't know if they're going to eat them.
Yeah. Well, what happened with my other picture? I don't know. Well, Kasha. Okay. Tola. Kasha. And would the answer be Stola Kasha or Chatola Kasha?
Stola kasha.
Stola Kasha. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I know what I missed. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Oh,
There it is.
yeah. 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 Okay. Okay, yeah. Huh. I don't know where it went, but anyway, but it's there. Huh. Okay. Oh well.
And it's not.
Okay, anyway, all right. It still works. Okay. Anyway. Oh, okay. It's a pop-up frame. Okay. All right. That's
We
all right.
must be patient, Michael.
Yeah, okay.
Low loading.
Okay. Eam.
Em-
Eam.
Team.
Okay. On Tolesh Eam. So does he like Eam? And Eam is, what do you guess?
Oh, well, he's got
Stolish
a
team.
mouse in it, or
Mouse
what's that
Polish.
brown?
Yeah, yeah. So what is this here?
Ish
Im.
toilish
Oh.
leam im.
What?
Skill something. Skillin?
Butter.
No.
The
What
knife?
here? What is pictured on the left?
Oh,
What kind of
a
food?
fork, a knife.
What kind of food is pictured on the left?
It's im.
Em butter.
Yeah, butter. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what eam is. Eam is butter. Okay. Okay, eam. Okay. And so Stolesh eam. So he's got a big pile of eam on top of his pancakes. Okay. Stolesh eam. Okay.
Hey, pancake? How do you say pancake?
I think it's just bannock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we get to Jochen. Jochen. Okay. Oop, where are we? Okay. Yeah. Jochen. Okay. So Jochen is joke. It was drinks, plural. Joke by itself is a drink. Okay. So now we're gonna look at drinks. All right. All right. Different kinds of drinks. All right. Okay. Loon. Antolish. Loon.
Lewin.
Loon. Okay. Stolish or chatolish. Loon.
Stolish Lewin.
Stolish
Polish
Loon. He likes beer. Yeah. I think looks like he likes it. Okay. All right. Loon. Fhìn.
Yeah.
Antoloa. Stoloa. Fhìn. No chatoloa fhìn.
Stoloa.
Or
Fhìn.
Loa fhìn. Okay. Yeah. They like wine. Okay. All right. Okay.
And Rua would be red.
Yeah. Ruag. Fhìn ruag would be red wine. Yeah. Or Fhìn Jeddick also. Fhìn Jeddick.
Either one is okay. I
I
thought one was for fur or hair.
Yeah. Fhìn Jeddick. Fhìn Jeddick would be red wine. Fhìn Jeddick. All right. Okay. Ushkabea. Antolet Ushkabea. So right here, let you. Okay. Let with you. Okay. So now you would switch it just like in English. If I would say, do you like? You would say, I like or I don't like. So stolum or chatolum ushkabea.
Stolum Ushkabea.
Stolum
Ushkabea.
ushkabea. Okay. Antolet
But-
ushkabea.
Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon. Okay. Waum goaum from time to time. Okay.
Oh, once a year, whiskey bread. Whiskey bread at the House of Ireland.
Okay. Okay. Tea or tea, both are used. And both pronounced with a hard T. Kind of unusual in Gaelic if the T is followed with a slender vowel. And the rule there is very often if a word is adopted from English as T is, it adopts some aspects of the English pronunciation. So hence, tea, not chea. Okay. Yeah. So I'll just show you. So che would be pronounced, for hot would be pronounced che, but tea would be pronounced tea. Tea. Okay. Yeah. So this is a Gaelic pronunciation, and tea would adopt the English pronunciation, at least for the T. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So until Loa, Tea, Stola, it shouldn't be Lesh, it should be Stoloa, or Hatoloa.
So you then
What do you
put
think?
Loa.
Stoloa or Hatoloa?
Stoloa.
Stoloa.
Loa.
Yeah, looks like the young ladies like their tea. Coffee. Antola. Coffee. Stola or Hatola.
Stola coffee.
Stola coffee. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right. One of these people who pays $10 for a 25-cent cup of coffee. So all right. Okay. Sgeulachd. Okay. Sgeulachd. Okay, so joke would be a drink, and luck would be literally weak, but it could be soft. So it's literally something like a soft drink. So Antolun, Sgeulachd, Stolun, or Chatolun.
Oh, Estolun.
Stolun, okay. And so here I have a picture of who the us is. Okay. Stolun, yes. Stolun Sgeulachd, so we like, and of course, if we were to ask you Antolat Sgeulachd, then each one of you could answer a stolum, Sgeulachd, or chatolum. I don't like Sgeulachd. And right here, I had to include a picture of iron brew. Okay. The after Ushkabea, the national drink of Scotland. Okay. Which is kind of an orange soda type drink. Actually, it's very good. Very, very good.
But it's not citrus orange flavor. It is orange color,
Yeah.
but it's not citrus orange flavor. What kind of flavor would you describe it, Michael?
No, I think it tastes like an orange soda drink.
I think it's like bubble.
It was not made out of oranges. It's not an orange,
Oh.
It was not an orange drink.
Right.
But but like you say, it's orange color and it's got an orange, it tastes somewhat like oranges.
It looks
I think it tastes like bubble gum.
it looks like it would taste like cactus cooler.
Like
That's
what?
what it looks like. But that's really citrusy.
It's not.
Oh,
It's not fruity. It's kind of
No.
sweet, like candy.
Okay.
uh-huh.
Yeah, like an orange candy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. But it's not like orange juice. It's not made from orange juice or anything like that.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. And Ushka.
Ushka.
Lua until
Oh.
Loa, Ushka, Stoloa, or Chatoloa.
Stoloa.
Stoloa.
Ushka.
Okay. Yeah. So just plain old water, not Ushkabea, not the water of life, but just plain old Ushka. Okay. All right. So Glasrik is messen. So Glasrik would be vegetables. Messen would be fruit. Okay. So Kuran. Carrot. Okay.
Kuranen.
And Kuranen would be plural. Kuranen.
Kuran.
Antoloa, them. Kuran or Kuranen. So you can say Stoloa or Chatoloa. What do you think?
Stoloa.
Loa.
Kuranen.
Kuranen. Cal. Antola, Cal, Stola, or Chatola.
Cabbage. Is toigh cal.
Yeah,
Stola.
Stola.
Stola. He likes
Toigh
it.
cal.
Stola.
Yeah. Cabbage. It's cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cabbage and potatoes. Colcannon.
Do
Do they have colcannon in Scots?
Do they have what?
Colcannon is
think it's
potatoes and cabbage.
Buntàta.
Ireland.
They call it something else.
Yeah. Buntàta is cow. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, top of that, Denise.
Oh,
Kuran.
Kokanen. No, I haven't heard that word. Kokanen. Okay. Yeah.
Colcannon.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
good.
Kularan.
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 Kularan or Kularanen.
Kularanen.
Okay. Cucumber or cucumbers. So on Tolesh, Kularan.
Toilesh.
Hatolesh.
Tolesh. Okay. Yeah.
Kularan.
He doesn't look like he likes his cucumber. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tomato. Antolet. Tomato. So you would answer. So that's you. Do you like a stolum or chatolum?
Tomato.
Tomato.
Yeah. So each one of you would answer either or.
Stolum.
Sometimes.
Guam. Okay. Time to time. Stolum or chatolum. Okay. Tomato. Buntata.
Tata.
Okay. On
Toilesh.
Tolesh,
Oh,
does he
toilesh
like?
patata.
Tolesh, Stolesh, or Chatolesh?
Chatolish.
Hatolesh.
Pat. What?
No,
No.
not really. I was just still late in repeating.
Okay,
You
okay.
all stopped
Yeah.
and I was still
Yeah.
going.
Okay.
What's the plural? Is it buntatanen?
Yeah.
Tatanen.
Yeah.
Buntatanen.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Orans.
Orange.
Okay. Until loon. So again, we have us. So stolun or chatolun.
Stolen,
Stolun, orans.
Stolen.
stolen,
Okay.
orange.
Okay. Or ul, until loa, ul. Stoloa ul no chatolun.
Stoloa.
Stolen,
Stoloa ul. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Sular. Okay. Until let sular.
oh,
Stolen.
Sular.
Stolen.
Sular.
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 Stolen,
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Banana. Okay.
Banana.
banana.
Until lesh. Banana.
Stolen banana.
A stolish banana.
Dolish banana.
Stolesh banana. Okay. Yeah. He likes banana. Okay. And shirisht.
Ooh,
Ah.
Jewish.
shit.
Ola. Shirish.
Stola.
Stola.
As
Shear.
Stola
Just
shirisht. Yeah. Yeah.
Stola.
Stola,
she-
Shirish.
The bird likes cherry. Okay. Likes a cherry. All right. Yeah.
Stola.
Okay. And grocery pakcha. Groceries packed or packaged groceries. Okay. Brot. Antola. Brot.
Brot.
Oh,
Does she like brot? Which is soup. Okay.
Looks like they do.
Stola.
Stola.
Stola brot. Okay.
Stola.
Yeah. Stola brot. Okay. Right. Liedje or brogen. Either or,
Liedje.
liedje or brogen. Antoloa. Do they like brogen?
Stolo, brochen.
Stolo
Stola.
broken. Okay.
Broken.
Okay. So of course here we have Goldilocks and two of the bears. Okay. Okay. Stolo broken.
Stolet, brochen. August, Sue, strawberries. August,
Oh,
banana. Banana.
Sular August banana. Oh yeah. Oh shik.
Yeah.
Hashinma.
Do they have two words, one for porridge, one for oatmeal? Or is it all the same?
No, it's all the same. Liedje or broken. Granyan brachist, which is breakfast cereals. Okay. Granyan brachist.
Does gran mean grains?
Yeah, grains.
Okay.
Brachist would be breakfast. Antolat, Granyan brachist.
I don't know. He's hard to read. But I like it.
Well, that's what you
Stolen
say.
Granian.
Stolen Granyan brachist. Okay, so I'm not asking you if you like a particular kind of breakfast cereal, but just breakfast cereal in general. Okay, so stolen. Okay. Or chips. Antoloa chips.
Chips.
That's how you spell chips? Wow.
Chips, yeah.
Chips.
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 Okay.
And you say it chips.
You say it chips. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So lower chips. So
Well, I don't know.
the big bowl of chips in front of them.
Well, it's
Certain
there and
kinds.
nothing else. So
What?
Estola chips.
Yeah, just Stoloa chips. Okay.
Estola.
Hello.
Estola.
How would you say like either potato or tortilla?
Oh, let's see. Well, buntàta, chips buntàta, or chips tortilla. I mean, yeah.
Corn
Okay.
chips.
Let's see. So
Or corn chips.
or yeah, let's see. So
Potato chips or corn chips.
okay. So hold on one second. Let's see. Denise had her hand up, so I got hold on one
I
second.
already asked.
Oh, okay, already asked. Okay, all right, okay. All right, back to share. Okay.
So Cheetos would be cheese chips, cheese kasha chips.
Chips kasha.
Yep, chips kasha.
Well, I think with
Cheetos.
Cheetos, you know, we go back to the urn brew conversation. Just like urn brew is not really orange, Cheetos is not really cheese.
Or cheetahs,
Cheetos. Yeah.
Cheeto, Cheeto.
cat.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, so sweetish
Oh,
Sweet
or
tip.
candy. Okay, very often sweetish. You know,
sweetish.
and in English, very often the Brits will refer to sweeties.
Oh,
sweetie.
sweeties.
Okay, so Antoloa, sweetish.
Stoloa.
Toloa,
sweeties.
sweetish. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
sweeties.
okay.
Sweeties.
Yeah.
Would you say sweeties, Samhain?
Halloween candy.
Oh, yeah, sweetish Samhain. Yeah. Sweetish Samhain. Yeah, very good. Samhain. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
flavor. And a bakery or a Thai funya. Either or, okay, a bakery, obviously a bakery or a Thai funya, a house of baking. And this would be Thai funya would be the more the original Gaelic word, okay?
Typhonia.
Bakery would be adopted from English, all right. So pie, antoloa, antola, pie,
Stola pie.
stola pie,
Stola pie.
brisketch, antolesh, brisketch,
Brisket.
Brisket.
Stolish.
stolesh, brisketch, a cookie, okay, cookie, okay, a cake,
Cake.
antoloa cake,
Cake.
Stolo cake.
stoloa cake,
Cheesecake.
yeah,
Cake.
Òran,
Òran.
bread, Òran, antoloa, Òran, and here loa referring to the pigeons.
Sgeulachd.
Stoloa.
Òran.
Uh-huh.
How do you say
Stoloa.
pigeons?
Culliman.
Okay.
Culliman.
Column.
Banach, antolet, banach, stolum or chatolum.
Looks good.
Well, this is
Column.
this is a special kind of bannock. It's a
Currants?
Selkirk bannock.
Selkirk.
Which is very tasty. It's got a lot of raisins, sometimes other fruits like cranberries or I've even seen them a bit with pineapple, but it's very, very tasty. Kind of a
Is it sweet?
yeah. Oh yeah. But not overly sweet. Not like cake. It was like a sweet bread. Okay.
A bonnet, in general, is like a bun. We
Yeah,
would call it a bun.
In
or
Like a
general,
sweet
a
bun.
bannock is a
bun.
well, like you say, like a bun, just like regular bread. Okay. Selkirk bannock or struan. Struan is another kind of sweet bannock. It's got fruits on the inside, and then struan streams of honey glazing the top of it. Yes,
Oh my
very
goodness.
tasty. Yeah.
Is bonnet ever savory?
Savory as in
Like not sweet?
meat?
Yeah, like meat
No,
bonnet or onion
no,
bonnet.
no. That would be pie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that would be pie. I mean, so a pie could be, sweet like fruit, or it could be, like a
meat pie.
yeah, like a meat pie. Yeah.
Mince meat pies.
So bonnets are always sweet.
What?
A bonnet is always like a sweet bread.
No. That's just a special kind of bannock.
Oh.
I guess you'd say the normal bannock would just be like a bread.
Oh, just like a dinner roll?
Yeah. I mean, but they're bigger than a roll. It would be like a
hamburger bun.
No, bigger.
Oh.
Yeah, like Yeah, I don't know how to describe the size of it, but it'd be like a
Like a dinner plate size.
yeah, like a dinner plate size, like
Okay.
a loaf of French bread, but only in
Uh-huh.
kind of a rounded form.
Like a rustic round.
Yeah, yeah, and about the size of a dinner plate.
Okay.
All right, okay, all right. Òran mílis,
Aramilish.
which means literally sweet bread, bread sweet, mílis, sweet. Toigh, Òran mílis.
Stola.
Stola
Milish.
Milish.
Toilah,
Stola
Milis.
Òran mílis.
Òran
Yeah,
mílis.
okay. All right. Well, there we go. Okay. I'm going to stop the share for a moment. Okay. So, so there we and so this will give you something to play with in the coming week. So not only do you have the grammatical form and the vocabulary to say that somebody likes something, but you also have a bunch of vocabulary for food. So, so as you're preparing food, you can be repeating to yourself what the names of these foods are. So that's another way to learn. I mean, just take it into the kitchen with you or take it to your dinner table. All right. Okay. Any questions or anything?
I forgot, did you mention pumpkins? I love pumpkins.
Pumpkin. No, I didn't. I have to look that up. Hold on one second. Pumpkin. Pepik or pumpkin. Okay, so okay. Hold on one second. I'll show it to you. Okay. Okay, hold on one second. Let me gotta share. Okay, so you can see this right here. Okay, right here. Pepik or pumpkin. Okay.
Squad.
Yeah. So remember that so there's a word for it, but it's a North American food, and it's not real. I won't say popular, but it's not real frequent in Scotland. But they do have a word for it, as you can see. But right here with pepik, they kind of confuse pumpkin with squash. And pumpkin might be more of what we think of as a pumpkin.
I have one more question.
Pumpkin.
It's also American. How about
What?
hot chocolate?
Oh, chocolate. Hold on. Okay, chocolate. Hay.
Oh, hay.
Chocolate hay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate hay.
Yeah, chocolate.
Not to go
chocolate
back.
Hay. Yeah, chocolate hay. Okay, hot chocolate. Okay.
Not to go back to pumpkin, but I do want to say that we have a archaeologist and one of our members, and for Halloween, she brings a big turnip. And she said that is what they used to use. And she cuts the top off and cleans it out and makes like a little face on it and puts a little candle in it. Yeah. So I'm curious about that because, well, I mean, she wouldn't give us wrong information, but I'm still curious. Are turnips a really big? I think that is the at Burns Night, the nips and tatties.
Neeps and tatties.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm wondering if that that clean, that jack-o'-lantern that's made out of a big turnip isn't an English custom.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's right.
You think so?
Yeah, so neeps would be turnip.
I know.
Okay, and in English it'd be what? Neeps
Neeps,
and tatties.
patties.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Very tasty dish. Okay. As far as British dishes go, neeps and tatties. Okay.
Uh,
All right. Oh, pleva. Yeah, neat. Okay. All right. Pleva, neat. Okay. A turnip. Okay. Yeah. All righty. Okay. Anyway, so this this will be available to you. The presentation will be available to you, and you can go through there and use it as flashcards. And also what you can do is I have directed us for the first go around. I've directed the say the prepositional pronoun. Whether you're asking whether they like something or he likes something, but you can practice it by changing that. So you can say, does he like it? Does she like it? Does do they like it? Do we like it? Do you like it? So you can change the prepositional pronoun as you want. Okay. All right. Anyway. All right. So that'll be uploaded to the Dropbox. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me go back to share. Okay. So I'm going to share something with you. Okay. And just go through this. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So the Sgeulachd na Seachdaine. So I have here a couple paragraphs. I'm not going to read them to you, but I'll explain what it's about. Avad Nashinta Rio, the mod. So the mod refers to, well, the mod is the Royal National Mod of Avad Nashinta Rio that takes place in Scotland each year in October, mid-October. And it travels around. It's a traveling festival, various cities and towns in Scotland. And it's tradition, a lot of formal competitions, but also demonstrations and presentations, and Gaelic song, fiddle, bagpipe, Clàr, which is harp, and folk groups. Spoken word events include children's and adults poetry reading, storytelling, and Bible reading, and ancient folktale or humorous monologue. Okay, so a lot of celebration of Gaelic culture, and they even have Highland dancing, Gaelic dancing. Also original drama, and even an annual shinty competition. Okay. And winners of each day's competitions are invited to perform at the winners' Céilís held every evening. So sometimes it's referred to as, well, not only is it a gala celebration of Gaelic culture, but sometimes it's referred to as the Whiskey Olympics. So anyway, take that as you might. Okay, so anyway, so I have a short, a couple short presentations, YouTube presentations. So this one, well, we'll just see what it has to say. Oh, wait.
Tá mód náisiúnta rial toshail.
Wait.
Féis Gaelic a hansa bhód. A bheith choraman do union de gath.
Okay, hold on. I forgot to share the sound, so I have to share sound. Okay. Now we can go. Okay.
Tá mód náisiúnta.
Okay, so can you hear this and see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Real toisheach. Sé féis Gaelic a hans fód, a chorman do dúine de gach haris rún de chuarpasin. Gavlisteach ceol Gaelic, down sa Gael-Talk, drama, lítrachas is tulúch. Bliana ha mod an páislig. Agus bí rúi fód de húne in trí Jacob go de saharne in fichsahun of Jen Dava. I first the fine chun fod bliana seo, ma ha furach fasc Glasgow. Canel páislig ach 50 minút vo víing vela trena. Cynnichúf gym fyd sif Clàr siúl bus an aski ma ha fó fichas a Young Scot National Entitlement Card active. Bí a vel sif a dul chun fod nyo Atchison bí eile on an alaba. Ha mod nation to real.
Okay, so that's just a little advertisement for people in Scotland to go to the mod. Now I'm going to show you something else. I have another little link. This is a sample of the children's program. Okay, so we have a young competitor who will sing a song for us.
Nu is calacitnis organa jech, agus va feskit kojiakuam, von a Helenin a moi guskoltin skittle happer. Ach, she calaca skol, city skot, vonlich naar beschein carriage kon librahev, hook a nuish se kujach bekaina gore, ili ketnikian, le brach artasik.
Oh, hier nach nach Romi hauwauning glaunten moike van door mi marachs mi nam ho faschte en braiers chasik voskan morjaun mohurim govain hakrein Nepjaun den Noine Landbrochen Konig en Tarach Quagruamach Sen Clisha Moasal Agiri Suasaun Gus Nuavor Boyo Id Mohuve Papain Galup mi mogunri moike Gelevawanach nam tuvach guanya mogurach bualat avuaina morjaun Nam ovrueter gutik mi guaset Gecht ovruigens toch lointjin boioch Lem hulen ruig was a leem gunwach Spuvoor mogruamen mur biege korum
Okay, so there you have a little taste of it, and the mod competitions include competitions for little ones all the way to the big ones. Okay. In all those different categories. They have choral singing, individual singing, they have bagpipe playing, fiddling, harping, even some, as you saw, as I read, even some sports, and of course dancing. So anyway, but that's the mod, and there are mods all over the world. I mean, the big one is in Scotland, of course, the Royal National Mod. But around Scotland, there are regional mods, and elsewhere in the world, there's the American mod that I believe you can participate in or watch online. It's online this year. And if anybody's interested, send me a email and I'll send you what information I have. But as I said, it's all over the world wherever Highland Gaels have settled in the diaspora. Okay, the spreading out of Highlanders around the world. Okay, all right. So one more thing. Okay, Stellam heen. Okay, I myself like. So we have a song here. Okay, here's a picture of children dancing. Okay, and heen is a variation on hain, which is I myself. Okay, and so very simple song. So I'm going to we'll run over the lyrics first, and then we'll do the song. Okay, so it goes Stellam heen. Go ahead and repeat. Stellam heen.
Stellam heen.
Buntàta seam.
Buntàta seam.
And the is in a contraction for and. It's sort of like in, I mean, like when we say in and out, we don't say in and out, we say in and out, something like that. Anyway, so Stellam heen Nacalacan. Nacalacan. I myself like the lassies. Stellam heen Buntàta seam.
Stellam heen Buntàta seam.
It's Ninakan Avala show.
Ninakan Avala show.
Okay, and the lassies of the town, really the little lassies of the town. Okay, so Stellam heen Buntàta seam. So here we have a couple foods that we have a song about, and Stellam. Okay, and Stell. Okay, Stell or Stol. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. So let's see. So let's learn how to sing it. It's a fun little song, and you can sing this all week. Okay. You can sing it to yourself all week.
This week we're going to be learning.
Okay. So hold on one second. Let me just make sure. Oops. I have to make sure that. Okay. So can you see this? And did you hear it?
No, you don't have it on the screen.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on.
It's okay.
Oh, was I not showing you the lyrics either?
No, we were just repeating after you.
Oh,
We've heard it before. We've heard it before, but
okay, good. Okay, all right. Okay,
but good.
Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so I will. Okay, I'll go to share. Wait, somebody had something to say. Share screen. Oh yes, thank you, Denise. Okay, okay. Maybe I should go back. Let me share your sound. I'll share the screen. Okay, so very quickly we'll go back to there's the picture of the girls dancing in the Calican, and it goes. So now you can see my screen, right? Okay, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Stellam heen Buntàta seam.
Stellam heen Buntàta seam.
Stellam heen Nacalacan.
Stellam heen Nacalacan.
Stellam heen Buntàta seam.
Stellam heen Buntàta seam.
It's Ninakan Avala show.
It's Ninakan Avala show.
And the lassies of the town. Okay, all right, there we go. Okay, all right. Now we can go to the song. Okay, all right. So now we'll go here. Okay, and we'll be taught the song. Okay, all right.
Seachdaine Cóla Ramsa, Josie Duncan. Hello and welcome back to Song of the Week with me, Josie Duncan. This week we're going to be learning Stellam heen Buntàta seam, which is a Portia Bill, and it translates as I myself like potatoes and butter. So this song is made up of an A part and a B part, but the good news is that the A part and the B part both use the same lyrics. I'm going to teach you the lyrics first of all. Stellam heen Buntàta seam, the title of our song, is also our first line. So that's Stellam heen Buntàta seam. Stellam heen Buntàta seam. Then we have Stellam heen Nacalacan. Stellam heen Nacalacan. I like the girls. Stellam heen Nacalacan. Now we are going to repeat our first line Stalom hín buntàta sim. I myself like potatoes and butter. Stalom hín buntàta sim is nínacan a bhela seo. Is nínacan a bhela seo. So all of the words for the whole song go like this. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim is nínacan a bhela seo. Now, would you...
Okay, so let me ask you, is that going too fast or is that a good speed?
I think it's okay.
It's
It's
good.
okay? It's good? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
believe that that's a whole song because we are using the same lyrics for our A part and our B part. Onto the melody, the A part starts like this. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín buntàta sim. And then we have Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín na cálacan. So after Stalom hín na cálacan, we're going to repeat our first line. Stalom hín buntàta sim. And then we have is nínacan a bhela seo. And the melody for that sounds like this. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Is nínacan a bhela seo. So that's the whole of our A part. We're halfway through the song. I'm going to sing you the whole A part. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. One more time, see if you can sing along. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Now the good news is that our B part uses the exact same lyrics, so no more words for you to learn, but there is a new melody, and it's quite jumpy, so make sure you listen carefully. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín buntàta sim. That's our first line, and then we have Stalom hín na cálacan. So there's quite a big jump there. Cálacan, cálacan. So our second line is Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín na cálacan. And then we repeat our first line. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Then we have is nínacan a bhela seo. And the good news about this is that it's the same lyrics and the same melody as the first half. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Now for the whole B part. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. One more time. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Now I'm going to sing you the whole song nice and slowly. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is nínacan a bhela seo. Thank you so much for learning this song with me, and I hope you have a lovely week. Cheers!
Okay. All right. Okay, there we go. So cheers. Okay. Okay, so anyway, so that's Stalom hín buntàta sim. Stalom hín na cálacan. Stalom hín buntàta sim. Is Stalom hín and nínacan a bhela seo. All right? Okay. Any questions? Any final points?
Feels like we heard that song before.
What? I'm sorry?
It feels like we heard that song before.
I think
somehow
so.
It's very familiar.
I think we've sung it before, but but I played it tonight because I thought it was especially appropriate for our grammar lesson.
Buntàta, Colcannon.
Buntàta is eam and stellum. Okay, it hit the three major parts of our lesson. So anyway, all right, okay.
I told it so.
Yeah.
All righty. So anyway, so if there's no other questions, I will say Aikiva.
Akiva,
Kiva.
Akiva, Slotawaya, Akiva.
Okay, and then I will be uploading revised materials in chapter 7, and as well as it's when it's ready, which might not be until tomorrow morning. Our various platforms have to do their work on the video, but I will upload a link to the YouTube video as well. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Is anyone of you at the Saturday
sorry?
at
What?
the lawn program?
What? I'm sorry.
Is any one of you at the lawn program from the Scottish House this weekend?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm going to come and say hi.
Oh, good. Ava will stop by. Yeah, definitely.
Come try and find us. We'll be in one of the booths.
We'll be in the booth, on the stage, in the cottage, in the tent, handing out candy, Heather, and yeah, we'll be all over. So very well.
Okay,
Thanks for letting me know, Eva.
Eva. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right.
We're gonna entertain children in honor of Samhain. So I have some coloring pages. This is a Scottish boy and girl. A ghost.
A ghost. A Scottish
And-
Oh, that's great. That's great. Oh, yeah. Oh, those
Well,
are
pumpkin.
Hannah Samhain, and
Yeah.
then a Scottish flag.
Yeah.
upside down. There you go. Okay. All righty. Okay. Well, Aikiva hula dunya.
Okay, Gleba, Akiva.
Goodbye. Tapalat.